today I'm going to teach you how to add video to your Framer website. This is a fantastic way to make your site more engaging and dynamic, whether you're showcasing a product demo, sharing a testimonial, or adding visual interest to your pages. First, open your browser and head over to framer.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Framer dashboard where all your projects are stored. Now, from your dashboard, locate and click on the specific project where you want to add the video. This could be your portfolio site, a client project, or any other website you're building in Framer. Clicking on it will open the project editor, which is where you'll be doing all the work. Once you're inside the project editor, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Insert button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for adding elements to your site. From this menu, click on Media, and then select Video. This action will insert a video placeholder onto your canvas, ready for you to customize. At this point, you'll notice the video element appears on your page, but it's likely not the exact size you want. No worries, you can easily resize it by clicking on the video element and dragging the corners. Adjust it to fit your design perfectly, whether you want it full width, centered, or tucked into a specific section of your layout. Now it's time to add your actual video content. Look over to the right side panel where you'll see the video section with various options. Find the source field and click on Upload. This is where you'll connect your video file to the placeholder. A new window will appear, prompting you to choose a file. Click on Choose File, then browse through your computer's files to locate the video you want to add to your website. Once you've found it, click on it to select it. Your video will begin uploading to Framer, and depending on the file size, this might take a moment or two. Once your video has finished uploading and you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to make your changes live. Click the Publish button in the upper right corner of the screen. This will push your updates to your live website, making the video visible to all your visitors. And there you have it, you've successfully added video to your Framer website, creating a more immersive experience for your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.